Now you can simply claim your Deshare airdrop. So if you participated in the previous session, you can now claim your airdrop to your BITGET exchange. So how do you do that? You click on check-in, and then you have to log into your account. As you can see, I'm not logged in yet. Click on check-in. Now either you log in with your email, you log in, or you continue with your X, whichever one you use to create the account. That's what. So let me use my X. It's more easier. Now this is the point I was able to gather during the previous season. So now how do I claim? I click on eligible for BITGET airdrop. As you can see, yes, I'm eligible. I click on get. Now I have 13.70 C's. I click on get C's. Successfully. Now as you can see, I have my tap point as 1007 something. So how do I claim now? How do I claim to my BITGET exchange? Now I click on pre-deposit to BITGET with 0 gas fee. Now I click on pre-deposit. Now I will go to BITGET to copy my user ID, my BITGET user ID, and my BITGET deposit address, my Cess deposit address. You must make sure that your BITGET exchange is verified. Okay, so as you can see, we are inside our BITGET exchange. Now how do you copy the Cess deposit address? You just click on add funds. Once you click on add funds, click on deposit crypto. Now you type Cess, CESS. Now you click on Cess. Now you copy your deposit address. As you can see, copy, click on copy, you copy. Once you have copied, you go back to copy your user ID. So you click on this icon, click on this icon, click on this icon, and then click on, you will see where is written UID. You click on it, and then as you can see, your UID has been copied. Now you proceed back to your Cess. As you can see, we have already copied it out. Now we paste our BITGET user ID here. We paste Cess deposit address, which we copied from BITGET. Now we paste it here, and after you click on pre-deposit. As you can see, submitted. Pre-deposit to BITGET with 0 gas fee. Verifying. I have already deposited my BITGET. Now soon it will arrive. So make sure to like, comment if you are confused in any area.